Okay, so for question number 79 from our cumulative review, we are going to look at a school fair. A fifth grade class sold 25 liters of orange juice. The orange juice was sold in cups containing either 200 milliliters or 300 milliliters. An equal number of cups containing 200 milliliters or 300 milliliters were sold. How many cups did the class sell? So there are a couple different steps we need to use to solve this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we're working in the same set of units. So if you notice up here, we've got 25 liters and we've got milliliters in increments of 200 and 300. So I think since we have two already that are in milliliters, let's go ahead and convert our liters to milliliters. If we know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, we can easily convert this 25 liters into milliliters by timesing 25 by 1,000. That gives me 25,000 milliliters is the same thing as 25 liters. The next thing I'm going to do after I've converted my liters into milliliters, so I'm working in this same function, I'm going to turn my 200 and my 300 milliliters into one unit so I can more easily divide them, and then I'll separate them again at the end because I know that an equal amount of cups containing those two increments were sold. So 200 milliliters plus 300 milliliters is 500 milliliters. Now if I take my 25,000 milliliters, which is my amount, and I divide that by 500, I'm just using our cross-out method from class, I end up with 50. Now I might think that I'm finished because I know that if I add together these two numbers and I divide that by 500, so if I take my 25,000 milliliters of orange juice and I pour it into cups, I'm going to end up with 50 cups. But that's not quite the case because I combine these two numbers. Now I have to separate them again, and I have 50 times by 2, and that gives me 100. So my final answer, how many cups did the class sell? They sold 100 cups total.